Good morning, children. How are you? Now we are going to study Breeding and Biotechnology, Unit 20. Breeding and Biotechnology, Unit 20. Yes, already we studied one part, Breeding and Biotechnology, plant breeding, disease resistance, modern agricultural practice and improvement, plant breeding for improved nutritional quality, introduction of new varieties of plants, selection, mass selection, clonal selection, pure selection, that all studied. I taught. Yes or no, children? Yes. Breeding. What is breeding? What is biotechnology? That also I taught. Yes. Now we are polyploidy breeding. Polyploidy breeding. What is polyploids? What is polyploids? Polyploids are organisms which with multiple sets of chromosomes and excess of diploid number. Already that every cell's diploid number chromosomes are there. That multiply sets of chromosomes. Polyploids are organisms with multiple sets of chromosomes in excess of diploid number. Sexually reproducing organisms have two complete sets of chromosomes in their somatic cells. Every somatic cells, two complete sets of chromosomes are there. Sexually reproducing organisms have two complete sets of chromosomes in their somatic cell. This is called diploid 2n. Diploid 2n. The gametic cells have only one set of chromosome, that is called haploid n, single n. That means only one set of chromosome is there, that is haploid. Two sets of chromosome is there, that is diploid. Three sets of chromosome is there, triploid. That like 4-5 chromosomes are there, that all are polyploids. An organism have more than two sets of chromosomes is called polyploid. More than two sets of chromosomes is called polyploidy. Poly means many. Ploid means applause, one field plus idios form. Such condition is called polyploidy. It can be induced by physical agents such as heat or cold treatment, X-rays and chemical agents like colchicine. Chemical agents like colchicine. Achievements of polyploidy breeding. What are the achievements? Some achievements of polyploidy breeding are there. Seedless watermelons, that is 3n. Bananas, 3n. TV29, triploid variety of tea with largest shoots and drought tolerance. Tourniquet 6n. 6n, that means 6 chromosome sets are there. 6n is hybrid of wheat and rye. Hybrid of wheat and rye. To make this plant fertile, polyploidy is induced. It has higher dietary fiber and protein. Raphanoprassica is an allotetraploid by colchicine treatment. These are the achievements of polyploidy breeding. Achievements of polyploidy breeding. Approximately 50 to 70% of angiosperms, which include crop plants, have undergone polyploidy during the evolutionary process. Polyploidy is common in nature and provide a major mechanism for adaptation and speciation. It is a common nature. Polyploids are organisms with multiple sets of chromosomes in excess of diploid number. Okay. This is a polyploidy breeding. Okay, children. Mutation. Mutation breeding. Mutation breeding. Mutation is defined as the sudden heritage change in the nucleotide sequence of DNA in an organism. It is a process by which genetic variation are created which in turn brings about changes in the organism. The organism which undergoes mutation is called mutant. Mutation. What is mutation? Mutation is defined as a sudden heritable change. Sudden heritable change. Mutation is a change in genetical material. Mutation is change in genetic material or chromosome resulting in new traits. Mutation breeding was first initiated by L. J. Stadler in 1928 in plants for purpose of crop improvement. Two types of mutation, one is spontaneous and induced mutation. Mutation two type, one is spontaneous mutation and another one is induced mutation. It is a process by which genetic variation are created which in turn brings about changes in the organism. The organism which undergoes mutation is called mutant. The organism which undergoes mutation, undergo the mutation. The organism which undergoes mutation is called mutant. The factor which induce mutation are known as mutagens or mutagenic agents. Mutagens are two types, namely physical mutagen and chemical mutagen. Mutagen of two types, namely physical mutation and chemical mutation. Two types. Chemical mutation, physical mutation. Physical mutation. What is the physical mutation? Otherwise, we can say physical agent, chemical agent. Physical agent, X-rays, UV rays, etc. Alpha, beta, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, temperature, etc. which induce mutation are called physical mutation. What are called physical mutation? Radiation like X-rays, alpha rays, beta rays and gamma rays, UV rays and temperature etc. which induce mutation are called physical mutations. Chemical mutation, chemical substances that induce mutation are called chemical mutation. Chemical substances that induce mutation are called chemical mutation. Mustard gas, nitrous acid, utilization of induced mutation in crop improvement is called mutation breeding. The utilization of induced mutation in crop improvement is called mutation breeding. Mutation breeding. The agents used for producing them termed as mutagens. Mutagens. Okay. The agents used for producing them are termed as mutagens. Achievements of mutation breeding. Some achievements of mutation breeding are Sarpati Sonara, wheat producing from Sarpati Sonara 64, by using gamma rays. Automata to rise with say saline tolerant and pest resistance. Automata to rise, saline tolerance and pest resistance. Groundnuts with thick shells. Groundnuts with thick shells. Sarsabari sonora, that wheat produced from the Sonara 64 by using gamma rays. Automata to rise, which is saline water, saline tolerance and pest resistance. Groundnuts with thick shells. These are the achievements of mutation breeding. These are the achievements of mutation breeding. Okay. What is hybridization? What is hybridization? Hybridization is the concept of mixing atomic orbitals into new hybrid orbitals with different energies, shapes, etc. Then the component atomic orbitals suitable for the pairing of electron to chemical bond in valence bond theory. Suitable for the pairing of electrons to form chemical bond in valence bond theory. So, what is hybridization? Hybridization defined as process of crossing two or more types of plants for bringing their desired characters together into one progeny called hybrid. Thus, desired characters together into one progeny called hybrid. Bringing their desired character together into one progeny called hybrid. Hybrid is superior in one or more characters to both parents. Hybrid is a superior or one or more characters to both parent. Hybridization is common method of creating genetic variation to get improved varieties. Hybridization experiment. Hybrid is the superior in one or more characters to both parent. One or more characters to both parent. Hybridization is a common method of creating genetic variation to get improved varieties. Hybridization experiment. Chicade. First man made the cereal. Hybridization experiment. Triticale. The first man made cereal. Triticale is the first man made cereal hybrid. It is obtained from the by free crossing wheat and rye. Tritium durum 2n 28 and rye cereal 22n, that means 14. The F1 hybrid is certain 2n is equal to 21. When the chromosome number is double using cocaine and it's become hexaploid. Number of doubling the colchicine and it become a hexaploid triticate. Triticate is the first man-made cereal. Which one is the first man-made cereal? Triticale. It obtained by the crossing wheat, that is Statium durum 27 2n is equal to 28. Under Cyril 2n is equal to 14. The F1 hybrid is sterile. 2n is equal to 21. Then the chromosome number of double using colchicine and you become hexaploid triticale. The cycle of crops rising and the selection continues to the plant with desired characters or family obtained from the development of new varieties is long drawn process. Two main aspects of hybridization are to combine the characters of two plants in one plant and to utilize hybrid vigor. Two main aspects of hybridization due to the combine and the combine the characteristic to the plant in one plant and another utilize hybrid vigor. So, hybridization experiment Triticale, the first man made the Cyril. Cycle of crop rising and selection continues with the plant with its determined characters on as finally obtained the development of new varieties is long drawn process. Two main aspects of hybridization are to combine the characters of two plants and one. Two main aspects of hybridization are to combine the characteristics of two plants in one plant and utilize hybrid vigor. Okay, hybridization. Understand? Hybridization, that is hybridization is the concept of mixing atomic orbit into new hybrid orbit with different energies, shapes, etc. than the components atomic orbits suitable for the pairing element to chemical bodies valence body theory. Next one we have to see breeding. Animal breeding is the process of selecting mating of animals with a desirable genetic trait to maintain or enhance these traits in generation. Is the process of selecting mating of animals with a desirable genetic traits to the maintenance of enhance. This trait is generation. What is generation? What is animal breeding? A breed is a group of animals on the concentration within a species that has characters that are not found in other members of same species of not found in other members of same species like general appearance and other striking features. Breeding. Next one, breeding involves mating parent of different varieties, each having some desired trait which are passed into the offspring. Here also objectives of animal breeding. One is the animal breeding, another one is the inbreeding, outbreeding. Okay, inbreeding and outbreeding. That we will study. Next one, inbreeding. Breeding. Inbreeding refers to the maintenance of closely animals within the same period same breed as identified and mated in pairs. It helps in the accumulation of superior genes and the elimination of genes which are called unstable. Human Hazardale is a new breed of variety sheep developed in the Punjab by crossing Bikaneri, Bikaneri, Manga Yeves and Australian Merino rams. Incoming depression, continuous inbreeding introduce fertility and productivity, breeding excess harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. Inbreeding selection, outbreeding selection. Inbreeding selection, the continuous inbreeding produce fertility and probability. The inbreeding expose harmful recessive gene that are eliminated by storm. Inbreeding repression. Inbreeding repression, development of highly productive inbred lines of domestic devastation is possible, although occasional high performance animals and produce inbreeding generally result in the over reduction in the performance. This reduction is high performance animal are produced. Inbreeding generally result in the over reduction in performance. This reduction is manifested in any ways. The most available effect of inbreeding are poorer reproductive efficiency, including the motility rates, lower growth rates and higher growth frequency of hereditary abnormalities. Okay. Inbreeding, example given here, is a new breed of sheep developed into Punjab by crossing Bikaneri. That means here Hisar Dale, new breed of sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri, Marga, Eves and Australian Merino rams. Inbreeding repression continued inbreeded reduce fertility and productivity, expose harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by skeleton. That means here inbreeding means continued inbreeding reduces fertility and productivity. Fertility and productivity. Inbreeding exposes harmful genes that are eliminated by selection. Outbreeding. Now outbreeding, we will see the outbreeding. Crossbreeding to produce with superior character. Crossbreeding, superior character. Inbreeding referred to the middle of the close related animal within the same breed for about 4 to 6 generations. Superior males and superior females of same breed are identified and mated in pairs in help of the accumulation of superior genes and elimination of genes which are undesirable. Someone only desirable, someone not desirable. So, inbreeding, continuous breeding reduces the fertility and productivity. Fertility also very important, productivity also very important. So that Hisardale is a new breed of sheep which is Punjab and Haryana. New breed sheep developed in Punjab. In the crossing the Bikaneri and Marga, that animal names Aves, and Australian Merino Rams. Inbreeding depression, continued inbreeding reduces fertility and productivity. Inbreeding exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection. See, everybody see the picture. Everybody see the picture. Minimal man, donkey, that is Lucius, hen and tail, curved back, that is a horse. Next one, horse and that donkey mixed to make a cross breeding to produce mule. One donkey and one horse breed to make a new one animal. That is only cross breeding to produce mule with superior characters. Mule with superior characters. Superior character, all superior character come to the newborn baby. Outbreeding. Okay. Cross breeding to produce mule with superior character. Here outbreeding it is a breeding of unrelated animals. The offspring formed are called hybrids. Hybrids are stronger and vigorous than that plant. Grass between two different species with desirable features of economic value or method. Let us see what cross produce a milk. Value and method. Cross between the two different species with the describe features of economic value are used. Let us what cross produce a mule. Mule is superior to the horse in strength, intelligence, ability to work, and in resistant to tissues, but they are suitable. Mule is a superior, horse is a strength. Mule, that two made donkey and horse to make a ability to work of resistant to disease, but they are sterile. That are sterile. That horse instinct superior. Mule is superior to horse instinct because that two animals breeding, outbreeding. Yes, cross breeding to produce mule and with superior characters, donkey, horse, and mule. Together join to that is a mule. Next one we have heterosis. Superiority of the hybrid obtained. The cross breeding is called heterosis. Heterocyst. Heterocyst. Superiority of the hybrid obtained by the crossbreeding is called heterocyst, otherwise hybrid vigor. Hybrid vigor. Effects of hybrid vigor is an animal breeding. Hybrid vigor is in animal breeding, only animals. Increase production of milk by cattle. Increase population of egg by cattle. Egg, high quality of meat is produced. Increase cot growth rate in the domesticated animals. Milk by cattle. High quality of fruits by highly quality of fruits and heterosis hybrid. Effect of hybrid vigor in animal breeding. Effect of hybrid. Heterosis or hybrid vigor outbreeding is the phenomenon that causes this crossbred individual to have an increased level of performance for certain site over and above the average performance of the site bred parent. So, effects of hybrid vigor and animal breeding. Increased production of milk by cattle. Increased production of egg by poultry. High quality of meat is produced. Increased growth rate in the domesticated animals. Okay, these are the effect of hybrid vigor in animal breeding. Next, we have to genetic engineering. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the direct modification of an organism's genome, which is the list of specific traits stored in DNA. Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the manipulation and transfer of genes from one organism to another organism to create a new DNA called recombinant. The term recombinant is used because DNA from two different sources can be joined together. Hence, genetic engineering is also recombinant DNA technology. So, organisms created by genetic engineering are called genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms. Organisms created by genetic engineering are called genetically modified organisms. Genetic engineering is also called recombinant. Genetic engineering is also called recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. Yes, now technique of the genetic engineering basic requirement. Important discovery that led to stepping stone or DNA technology were presence of plasmid in bacteria that will undergo replication independent and with chromosomal DNA. Restriction enzyme that break DNA at a specific size and they are also called a molecular scissors. DNA ligase are enzyme which help to ligating that is a joint the broken DNA fragment. fragment. These are the technique of genetic engineering basic requirements. Basic requirements. Okay. R DNA, chromosomal DNA, restriction enzymes cut or break DNA at specific sites and are also called molecular scissors. DNA images the enzymes which help in lignating the broken DNA fragments. Next one we have to see gene cloning. Gene cloning. Cloning. Gene cloning. What is gene cloning? When you have some word clone, of course, Dolly, the cloned sheep, the carbon copy of individual is often called clone. The carbon copy of individual is often called clone. However, more appropriately, a clone means to make a genetical exact copy of an organism. What is clone? A clone means to make a genetically exact copy of an organism. To make a genetic exact copy of an organism. In gene cloning, a gene or a piece of DNA fragment is inserted into a bacterial cell where DNA will be multiplied. As the cell divides, the brief outline of basic steps involved in the gene cloning. First step, isolation of desired DNA fragment by using restriction enzymes. Isolation of desired DNA fragment by using restriction enzymes. Insertion of a DNA fragment into suitable vector to make rDNA. That is a vector, that is a plasmid. To make rDNA. Transfer of rDNA into bacterial host cell. Transfer of rDNA into the bacterial host cell. Selection and multiplication of recombinant host cell to get a clone. Expression of cloned gene in host cell. Expression of cloned gene in host cell. Using this strategy, several enzymes, hormones and vaccines can be produced. Everybody see the picture. DNA containing desired gene removed from the cell. Everybody see the picture. You can understand properly. Yes, see the picture. That is a DNA containing desired gene removed from the cell. Okay. Yes, removed, taken out. Yes. After that, enzyme cut out desired gene. Enzyme insert gene into DNA vector. Now enzyme insert DNA into DNA vector. Enzyme insert. After the enzyme DNA vector taken from the bacterium. Understand? DNA vector taken from the bacterium. The DNA vector, after that, enzyme also insert. Enzyme also insert. Enzyme cuts out the desired gene. After that, going into the reproduce, bacteria reproduce, creating a large number of bacteria with the new characteristics. See the picture properly. Now DNA containing gene is that DNA containing desired gene is that. After DNA vector taken from the bacterium and enzyme insert. That one dividing 2. Dividing 2. That after that one dividing 2. That is bacteria cell dividing 2. That like first 1 dividing 2, 2 dividing 4, 4 dividing 8. That like dividing. Okay, this is a genetic engineering technique. This is a gene cloning. Gene cloning. How understand? First, one cell, that cell have DNA containing desired gene. The gene is taking out the enzyme desired gene, cut out a desired gene. After the DNA vector taken from the bacterium and the enzyme insert gene into the DNA vector. That after that DNA containing gene, bacteria DNA vector taken from the bacterium, that together to make one cell, that bacterium reproduce, creating large number of bacteria with a new characteristics. Okay, gene cloning understood everybody? Everybody understood, children? Gene cloning. Yes. Next one, development of Dolly. Development of Dolly. Development of Dolly. Dolly was the first cloned female sheep. Everybody open the book. Development of Dolly, page number 293. Dolly was the first cloned female sheep. It is the first cloned female sheep developed by Dr. Ian Wilmot and his colleagues at the Roslin Institute, Scotland in July 1996. She was created by somatic cell nuclear transfer technique. She lived for 6 to 5 years and died in 2003 because of lung disease. Now everybody see the picture. Everybody see the picture. One black-faced sheep, another one white-faced sheep. One cell taken from there. Black-faced sheep one cell and white-faced sheep one cell. Now fusing that one. Fusing cell and enclosed egg. Remove the nucleus. Remove the nucleus. That nucleus enter into the cell. After egg fused with cell. Egg fused with cell. The egg fused with cell make a embryo. That embryo giving surrogate mother with implanted embryo. That baby is black-faced sheep with white-faced lamb. White-faced lamb. White-faced lamb baby will get. That is a clone. Okay. White-faced sheep and black-faced sheep. Take one nucleus from the cell. The cell taking from the white-faced and black-faced sheep. and fuse with that one, the egg will fuse with the cell, the embryo producing. After that, embryo producing in the black-faced sheep, after that inserted into the mother. That mother giving the baby, that is white-faced lamb. Have you understood? It is a development of Dolly. Development of Dolly. To see biotechnology in medicine. Biotechnology, medicinal biotechnology. What is medicinal biotechnology? Medicinal biotechnology is the use of living cells and cell materials to research and produce pharmaceutical and diagnostic products that helps treat and prevent human diseases. Okay? Using genetic engineering techniques, medicinally important valuable proteins or polypeptides that form the potential pharmaceutical products for treatment of various diseases have been developed on the commercial scale. That one is parametrical products developed by rDNA technique. Another one gene therapy. First, pharmaceutical products developed by rDNA technique. First, that one we will see. Insulin used in the treatment of diabetes. Yes, that we know. Yes, insulin used in the treatment of diabetes. Human growth hormone used for treating children with growth deficiency. Some children growth deficiency means that growth hormone used. Blood clotting factor are developed to treat hemophilia. Hemophilia patient blood clotting factor கொடுத்து development பண்றது. Tissue plasmogen activator is used to dissolve blood clots and prevent heart attack. Blood clots and prevent heart attack. Development of vaccines against various diseases like hepatitis B and rabies. And vaccines also preparing. Hepatitis B and rabies. These are the disease. Okay. That means diabetes treatment. Growth deficiency children. Giving the growth hormone. Developed to treat the hemophilia and prevent the heart attack. And hepatitis B and rabies giving the vaccine. These are the pharmaceutical product developed by rDNA technique. Next, gene therapy. Gene therapy refers to the replacement of defective gene by the direct transfer of functional gene to human to treat genetic disease or disorder. The genetic makeup of the patient cell is altered using recombinant DNA technology. It was first successfully implemented in 1990. Somatic gene therapy is the replacement of defective gene in somatic cell. Somatic gene therapy, germline gene therapy. 2. Somatic gene therapy is the replacement of defective gene in somatic cell. Somatic cell இருந்து replace பண்ணி defective gene replace பண்றதுதான் somatic gene therapy. Germline gene therapy, replacement of defective gene in germ cell. Egg and sperm. Egg and sperm. Germ-line gene therapy. Germ-line gene therapy, replacement of defective gene in germ cell. Germ cell இருந்து defective gene replace பண்ணதுதான் germ-line gene therapy. somatic cell இருந்து defective gene replace பண்றது somatic gene therapy. Okay, gene therapy two. One is somatic gene therapy, another one is germ-line gene therapy. Gene therapy conducted till date has targeted only somatic non-reproductive cells. Correction of genetic defect in somatic cells may be beneficial to patient, but corrected gene may not be carried to the next generation. Do not be carried the next generation. Okay, this is a gene therapy. Somatic gene therapy, germ gene therapy. Next is stem cell. What is stem cell? Our body is composed of over 200 specialized cell types. 200 specialized cell types are in our body that can carry out specific functions. Example, neuron, that is a nerve cell that can transmit signals. Neuron transmits signals. Heart cells which contract to pump blood. Heart cells which contract to pump blood. Pancreatic cells to secrete insulin. Yes, these are the specialized cell types that carry out specific functions. These specialized cells are called differentiated cells. The specialized cells are called differentiated cells. In contrast to differentiated cells, stem cells are undifferentiated or unspecialized mass of cells. The stem cells are the cells of variable potency. Potency refers to the number of possible fates that a cell can acquire. The two important properties of stem cells that differentiate them from other cells are its ability to divide and gives rise to more stem cells by self-renewal. Its ability to divide and gives rise to more stem cells by self-renewal. Its ability to gives rise to specialized cell with a specific function by the process of differentiation. That means heart cell pumping the blood. That's one kind of special function. Yes, special function by process of differentiation. Types of stem cells. Types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, adult germ cells. Embryonic stem cells can be extracted and cultured from the early embryos. These cells are derived from the inner cell mass of blastocyst. These cells can be developed into any cell in the body. Adult stem cells or somatic stem cells are found in the newborn, and adult. Adult stem cells or somatic stem cells are found in newborn baby and adults also. They have ability to divide and gives rise to specific cell types. Source of adult stem cells are amniotic fluid umbilical cord, bone marrow. Sources of adult stem cells are amniotic fluid, umbilical cord, and bone marrow. Everybody see the picture. Nerve cells, muscle cells, liver cells, intestinal cells, cardiac cells, red blood cells. These are differentiation of stem cells. These are the differentiation of stem cells. Different stem cells. Liver cells are different. Muscle cells, nerve cells, red blood cells, cardiac cells, intestinal cells. These are different stem cells. Stem cell therapy. First, gene therapy we studied. That also somatic gene therapy, germline gene therapy. Here, stem cell therapy. Sometimes cells, tissues and organs in the body may be permanently damaged or lost due to genetic condition or disease or injury. In such situations, stem cells are used for the treatment of diseases, which is called stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy. Situation stem cells are used for treatment of disease. What is stem cell therapy? Situation stem cells. In such situations, stem cells are used for treatment. What is treatment? Sometimes cells, tissue, organ in the body may be permanently damaged or lost due to genetic condition or disease or injury. In such situation, stem cells are used to treatment of disease, which is called stem cell therapy. In treating neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson disease and Alzheimer's disease. Parkinson disease, Alzheimer's disease, neuronal stem cells can be used to replace the damaged or lost neuron. Which organ damage that replace? Neuronal stem cell, neuronal which neuron that damaged, that will separate it and replace it and give the treatment. That is, neural stem cells can be used to replace the damaged or lost neurons. Okay. Yes, understood children. Differentiation of stem cells. Yes, differentiation of stem cells. Stem cell therapy. Stem cell therapy. That means replacement of the damaged part. Replace to replace the damaged, otherwise lost organ, neurons. That one, neural stem cells. Neural stem cells. Neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson disease, Alzheimer's disease. Okay, next one we have to see DNA fingerprints, printing. Fingerprinting, DNA fingerprinting is a forensic technique used to identify the individual by characteristic of their DNA. Fingerprinting, identify the individuals. Identify the individual by characteristic of their DNA. DNA character வச்சு identify பண்றது. The process of DNA fingerprinting was invented by Alec Jeffrey at the University Leicester in 1985. Also called DNA profiling or molecular fingerprinting. Molecular fingerprinting, that the technique was developed by Alec Jeffrey. The DNA fingerprinting technique was developed by Alec Jeffrey. The technique analyzes each individual unique DNA sequences and provides distinct characteristics of individuals which help in identification. Variable number of tandem repeat sequences, VNTRS. Variable number of tandem repeat sequences serve as molecular markers for identification. For identification, the fingerprinting technology for identification. In human being, 99% of DNA base sequences are the same, and this is called as bulk genomic DNA. The remaining 1% DNA sequence differ from one individual to another. This 1% DNA sequence is present as small stretch of repeated sequences, which is known as satellite DNA. What is satellite DNA? DNA sequence is present a small stretch of repeated sequences, which is known as satellite DNA. 1% of DNA sequence differ from one individual of another. This 1% of DNA sequences is present as a small stretch of repeated sequences, which is known as satellite DNA. The number of copies of repeat sequence is called VNTRS. What is VNTRS? Variable number of tandem repeat sequences differ from one individual to another and result in variation in the size of DNA segments. See the picture in the book. Person 1, person 2, person 3. The DNA. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. That like rotating. Yes. VNTRS illustration of 3 persons. VNTRS illustration of 3 persons. First person, second person, third person. As shown in the illustration, the sequence AGT is repeated 6 times in first person, 5 times in second person, and 7 times in third person. Because of this, DNA segments of third person will be larger in size, followed by the DNA segment of first person and then second person. Thus, it is clear that satellite DNA bring about variation within the population. Variation in DNA banding pattern reveals differences among the individuals. What are the applications of DNA fingerprinting? These applications, DNA fingerprinting technique is widely used in forensic forensic application like crime investigation, such as identifying the culprit. It is also used for paternity testing in case of disputes. It also helps in the study of genetic diversity of population, evolution, speciation. These are the applications of DNA fingerprinting. Next one we have to see modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms, GMO. Genetically modified organism. Genetically modified organism is one whose genetical material has been altered using genetic engineering. Genetically modified organisms or GMOs are commonly used in foods and medicine. Commonly used in foods and medicine. This has led to concern about the dangers they might cause to environment and to human health. Okay, that one of the most tremendous development of genetic engineering is the production of genetically modified plant and animals. Genetic modification refer to the alteration, manipulation of genes in organisms using rDNA techniques in order to produce desired characteristic. The DNA fragment inserted is called transgene. Plant and animals expressing modifying endogenous gene. The plants and animals expressing endogenous gene or foreign gene are known as transgenic organism. Transgenic organism. The transgenic plants are such a stable which improved the nutritional quality, resistant to the disease, and tolerant to various environment conditions. Similarly, transgenic animals are used to produce proteins of medicinal importance at a low cost of improved livestock quality. Some examples of genetically modified plants and animals are given in the table below. Yes, here are some genetically modified plants given. Improved nutritional quality in rice, increased cross production. Genetically modified animals, improved wool quality and production, increased growth in fishes. This achievement, gene inserted, these are given here. This one your classwork. Genetically modified plants, genetically modified animals. This is your classwork note. Write in your classwork note and study this lesson properly. Classwork page number 295. Genetically modified plants and animals. Okay. Everybody write neatly and send the homework. Classwork also write neatly. Okay. Everybody write neatly. Study this lesson properly. Everybody study this lesson properly. Okay. Up to 20 units finished. 20 units finished. Okay children, everybody study properly. 20 units are there completed. You study this all properly. This all you study properly. Okay. Yes.